This steering wheel is out of a 2014 F150, obviously the King Ranch edition with that King Ranch leather on it. We get a lot of these King Ranch wheels in, and the reason is the original King Ranch leather that was used on these did not have a top coat on it, so it did not wear very well at all. So we use a King Ranch leather that does have a top coat on it, so it is protected, not just a raw hide leather. So we're gonna get this old leather off of there and clean it up, match the new King Ranch leather to this. This is also in the 2014 is the red King Ranch, not the brown King Ranch, which is a little more typical. So we're gonna make it look amazing. And that's just what we do here at Craft Customs. So let's put our transformation process on there and see how it looks when we're done.